Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show the quantity available from a specific product in Wix. So let's get started. In order to do that, just head over to the page of your website wherein you can see your product. So in here, you can see this quantity. So let's head over in here on a dashboard wherein we can see the product. So just head over to store products and then the products right here. Now we can see our product. So click on the three dots, click on edit product. And then under here, you should be able to see some settings or description for this specific product. So let's scroll down, and in here, you can see everything. So what you can do is you can actually track inventory. So enable this, and then make sure to add in some options for inventory. So for example, we have 100, so you can just put that. Then from there, click on save. Now, once you have done that, it will actually update your actual products, and then head over to your Wix website editor, and then the person who will be able to see this will be able to put in an entire quantity that they want to put in their cart. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to show product quantity available on your Wix product. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.